This video is designed to get you to see how to use Chicago-style citations as well as how to cite and leave footnotes in your final essays. The best way to do this is to go to chicagomanualstyle.org, which is the site I'm on currently. This will have as you guys can see up here, the Chicago Manual of Style online. This is going to show you how to use Chicago-style citations and when and where to use them. So this is just at chicagomanualofstyle.org. You'll be able to see exactly how this works. To see how to cite things using Chicago style, you'll see on the screen here, if I want to cite something, for example, a book, let's say I'm citing Michael Pollan's The Omnivore's Dilemma. I would cite it simply Michael Pollan, comma, and then in italics I'd put The Omnivore's Dilemma, A Natural History of Four Meals. That's the full title. That would be in parentheses. Then immediately afterwards that would be in italics. And then immediately in parentheses, I would put the place where it was published, in this case, New York, who published it, Penguin, comma, and then the year, 2006, and then another comma, and then whatever pages I plan on using from it. Now, if I'm going to cite that's going to be the citation at the end of my paper. If I then want to cite something in the text, to create a footnote, the easiest way to do this, and this is what's acceptable by Chicago style, is to have, as it says up here, Pollan, comma, in italics, Omnivore's Dilemma, comma, and the page number, in this case, 3. So if I want to put a footnote in my paper, I'll use that abbreviated version of the citation instead of the full citation. So as you can see, the full citation is in number 1 here in this piece. This is the full citation, number 1. And then the shortened citation is number 2 here, Omnivore's Dilemma number 3, or page 3. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go to my document. If you're in your document, this is the old human rights document for 9th graders. Now, if I want to cite something, the easiest way to cite, let's say I'm in this paragraph, I'm in the main paragraph. I'm going to pull it to the top of the page here. And at the end of that paragraph, I've used something that I want to cite. The simplest way is to go to Insert, up at the top here, and under Insert, I go to Footnote, and what it'll do is it'll put a number 1 at the end of the sentence in which I wanted to put it. At the bottom, it'll have the footnote at the bottom of the page. I'm going down here, you can see it now. All I do is take that shortened citation and I paste it in here. It has it there. What I would then do is shrink it a little bit so that it's not quite as large. And that's it. And now I've got my footnoted citation. Now you're going to do this for every time you cite something, whether you paraphrase or you quote directly. And you got to make sure that whenever possible you cite it. If you're in doubt, I would make sure you cite it. So that's how you cite using Chicago style.